Park has searched the world over looking for the greatest Western tricksters of all time. However, we could not find any. So, we got you these guys instead. So put your hands together for the star of the show, Wild Bill Hickok!
Yeah! Howdy, everybody. Oh, look at this amazing audience we have today. Oh, now before we get this show started, I have to be honest with y'all. I'm not Bill. Nope, I'm Sheriff Roscoe, Sheriff of this town. Now, Bill will be out here alone. You see, what happened was there was some magical boxes backstage, and well, Bill got in one, and then there was this saw, and I just couldn't resist. I saw him in half. But with a little bit of magic, we're going to put Bill back together right now. Jesse. Sorry, folks. Jesse, wake up. He just gets a little tired. What is wrong with you? Sleeping on the job? Next thing you know, you'll be waving at people. It's not waving. We got this deal, man. Nothing in the box. You get his legs on the other hand. Oh, don't worry, Bill. I'm gonna take good care of you. I'm gonna fix you right up. Oh, yes, I am. Look, get it back, Jesse. Blue, everybody. Works most of the time. Hands up. Now, my favorite part. Magic time. And one. And two. Alakazoo. Bang. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce you to the one, the only, Wild Bill Hickok.
I can't believe you cut your hat, Roscoe.
Bill, get to know our fans we have.
Howdy, folks. Give me 1 second real quick. Get me out of this box.
All right, Mr. Grumpy. At least I'll put you back
So
together.
Jesse.
All right, look right there. 1 foot after the other. I got you back. Oh, now, Bill, come on, bud. Now, don't be messing on my hat. You know who ladies love, isn't it?
Oh, nobody likes that old hat, Roscoe.
Hey, Bill. What about my hat?
Whoa, what's he doing?
Bill,
Get him off the stage, Roscoe.
Bill.
I'm sorry about that. You might know what's going
Oh, that was a close one. We don't get too mad about that. Whoa, scared me.
What's wrong with that boy?
Billy should have drank some Windex
Windex?
to keep him from streaking.
That's pretty funny, Roscoe. I'll give you that.
Thank you, Bill.
Folks, I'm sorry about him. We got a great show planned for today. Let's get it started right now.
Yeah. Oh, wait, what about my introduction?
After you cut me in half, so am I.
Yeah.
No, Roscoe, no.
Oh, Bill, please. I've been practicing.
What do y'all think? Y'all think it deserves an introduction?
Oh, yeah, y'all gonna love this.
I got a feeling we're going to regret this. Welcome back to the stage, your friend and mine, Sheriff Roscoe. Well, that ain't wild ass music. Roscoe, get out here.
You want to switch seats with me? You want to switch seats with me?
Bill scared me.
Roscoe, you can't be dancing like that. This is a family show.
I know it's a family show. Bill and family there was loving it. Oh. Oh, well, man. What you doing here so early?
What?
That's right, the celebration.
Wait a minute, where y'all going? We got the show to do, guys. Get back up here. Let's go, Jesse, get it. Roscoe, This ain't some kind of party.
Not anymore, it ain't.
Oh, there she is. Don't be mad, Bill. Everybody's just really excited.
You want to switch
You know,
seats?
about the big election.
Yeah, I guess you're right, Andy.
Pass me out.
Wait, what election?
Oh, that's right, Bill. I'm running for president. Hey, look, that's me on the side. Come on the side.
Cut the music off.
Why?
Roscoe, you cannot run for president.
Well, yes, I can, Bill. I'm gonna make the West great again.
Why don't you do your job and make the show great again?
Does this mean I count on your vote?
You count on this.
I can count on my fingers and sometimes my toes.
Oh, that's so precious. Thank you.
Roscoe, do you know anything?
Acting lessons.
Hey,
No, but you're the daredevil.
Oh.
well, relax. We don't got a daredevil. Yep, he's over on the tiki island getting ready to go right now.
Oh boy!
Or girl. My West is equal opportunity.
Oh, Roscoe.
Alright, folks, now we have got for y'all the world's best.
Third.
We have got for y'all the world's best.
Third.
Third what, Roscoe?
The Daredevil Bill. He's the third best.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, I gave you an name enough when to get these fine folks here. The very best daredevil.
Bill. Campaigns don't fund themselves and they ain't cheap.
Is that what you did? You spent all my money on your campaign.
No, silly, not all of it.
No, we also got this year done, Bill.
And you let Andy get a gun?
I'm gonna need Secret Service.
Eagles landed.
James Bond.
Just tell me more about this daredevil.
Well, Bill, he's the third best.
Yeah, I got that part, Andy.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Daredevil. As we speak, he's being loaded into a human-sized cannon.
It's a man.
Right over on our tiki island. Oh,
Dusty, no! He goes in feet first.
Let me go round.
Feet first.
I think he's getting it.
Alright, now folks, just as soon as that daredevil figures out how to load something into that cannon, we're gonna light that fuse. We're gonna send it through the air.
Through the air.
And that's where Roscoe here
Ah, that's me.
That's him.
is gonna catch you with a net.
And then,
And I forgot to say.
then,
I'll be right
and
back.
then anybody getting net over here? Net, anybody? Bill, what she look like? She got long hair, short hair, red hair. Is she pretty?
Who?
And then,
None of the person, Roscoe. A net. See,
do you know what he's talking about? Oh, you mean the catchy thing?
the catchy thingy, yeah.
What do you know?
Hey, it looks like he's ready to go. Drum roll, please. Roscoe, are you ready?
I'm ready, Bill.
Andy, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Fire!
Fire! Where, where? Get the water, get the water.
Stop, drop, and roll.
No, fire, Roscoe, catch you.
Oh, I don't got it, Bill. I'm sorry. You said fire. I got scared. Thought you been real fire. You okay?
Roscoe, you have one job. That's all I ask you to do. One simple
It
thing.
wasn't my fault, Bill. Ow!
Good night.
Does anybody have the number to the 911?
So, Andy, we don't need that.
You know?
Nope.
Come on.
It's time to train for mission with VCR.
VCR.
That's what I'm saying. That's right.
When you split that up, Roscoe.
Oh, I did it, Bill. It stands for victim can rise.
How does that work?
It don't work, man.
Ooh, watch this. Oh, y'all about to learn something new today.
Roscoe, put that down.
First thing you want to do is stand over your victim like so.
Like so.
Then you want to get a nice little crick in your back like so.
Like so.
Then you want to put your lips like so. Then you put your lips to the victim's lips and jump below.
And you blow.
It's that little man, everybody.
It really worked. Leave him alone.
He's incredible. He's invincible. He is right, Roscoe?
Oh, he is fine. Good, buddy. Make you look bad for my voters.
Roscoe, you ain't got no voters because you can't run.
Ain't been able to run since the War of 07.
You wasn't in the war.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm fine. Oh, yeah, Gerald. Come on, buddy. Oh, your head. All right, there. Woo.
Y'all ain't supposed to move an injured person.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you're right, Bill.
All right, now folks, to be a good daredevil, you gotta have certain qualities. And then everyone demonstrate those qualities. First off, with flexibility.
That's right. That's what we have here today. My great-grandpa said called flexibility later. Back in the
That sure is shiny, Roscoe.
It is, ain't it? Yeah, it's very.
Can I touch it?
Oh, it's fragile. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
right,
Roscoe, you didn't know how to use that thing.
No. Thanks for hold still. That you. Ready, buddy? Good. One.
No, Roscoe, are you sure you're doing it right?
No? Pretty sure I'm doing it left. That's left. There you
Oh,
go.
he's doing it left. It feels fine.
Two.
Okay, everyone stop right there, buddy, please.
Stop.
Calm down, y'all. You can't stop greatness. Three. Oh. Three.
Stop.
Roscoe!
Oh, that don't look so good. I didn't do it.
Well, he done it.
Yeah, let's get you up, buddy. Okay, now folks, we're gonna prove this unflexible man here. Really is. We're gonna put him in that crate.
Ain't that great?
Then we're gonna fill that crate up with dynamite. And then we're gonna set it on fire.
We're having a farm. This is gonna be fun. Marshmallows.
What are y'all two doing?
Watching it run.
I'm playing a farm.
Go to the back and get the daredevil.
Okay.
He's loose.
Neil, did you just say loose?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all right, because we're about to get blood loose.
Oh, no, we're not. You know, baby.
Oh, y'all hear that applause? They love us here. Dave singing, yeah.
Okay, focus, you two.
Focus.
Go to the back
I'll go back.
and get the daredevil.
Get there.
So we can on this suit name.
Right, so we can get on with this. Wait a minute, wait. Phil?
Yeah.
Did you just call this here show a hoot nanny?
Yeah, the suit nanny.
Well, that's my show, Bill.
What? Your show?
My show.
Yeah.
Because I'm in it and I'm good.
Oh, Andy! You shot my brand new sign.
Little bit, Bill.
What'd you see how long it took me to hang it up there?
Well, sure, Bill. Did you see how quick I shot her down? I gotta go check on something backyard real quick.
Well, wait a
And
minute.
I'll be back. But
Hey,
I'll just,
fix it, please.
yeah, I'll see you in a minute.
You got Nashville. I wouldn't go in there policing out.
Roscoe, in the middle of my show.
Well, duty calls. Duty, you get it.
That's a professional, Roscoe.
Actually, no, Bill. That was Taco Bill. Oh, I'm so funny. Bill! Look! It's Rose! Hey,
Is that what you spend all my daredevil money on, Roscoe?
Oh, yes. Rose! Oh, don't smack Rose. She's just precious.
Get her out of my shine bucket.
John Bucket.
Yeah, I need water.
Oh, this ain't good, Bill. Oh, what is it, girl? You can tell me. You can tell me how Bill gets what she's told me.
Well, nothing, Roscoe, because you can't talk.
Well, she can't ride neither. She says she drank too much.
No, your mama drank too much.
No, she Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. Show yourself, Rose.
I thought you said she was trained, Roscoe.
She is trained, Bill. Watch fire. Good girl.
Get rid of her.
Oh, Bill. I love her.
Yeah, I don't want my show, but you two are ruining it, Roscoe.
Oh, Bill, but you guys understand Mr. Rose and I had special.
Well, you rose that first week.
Oh, she didn't like that much, Bill. Right in the face.
Over the fence, Roscoe.
Oh,
With the mouth.
no.
Yes.
Never let go, Rose. Never let go. Bill, she let go. She let go.
Roscoe, you are not Celine Dion.
Excuse me?
My show is not the Titanic.
Are you sure, Bill? Because it looks like we're sinking.
What'd you do, son,
What shall
Roscoe?
we do?
Get that dynamite.
Oh, I love dynamite.
Put it in that crate.
Easy.
But don't sniff it.
Making sure it's fresh. It is.
Oh, Roscoe, remember.
Yeah, Bill?
Just use a stick or two.
Stick or two.
Yeah, one warm up, not killing it.
Oh!
The time for distractions and interruptions is over, folks.
Hey, Bill, check it out, buddy.
What, Roscoe?
It's a boom box. Get it? Boom box.
Put that down and get to work.
Put it down and twerk. Go Roscoe, go Roscoe. Ow, Bill. It's my pussy.
Roscoe, the family show, remember?
Oh, I'm sorry, Bill.
We got kids out here.
What'd you just say?
We got kids out here.
You're telling me that me and you got kids out here?
Well, yeah.
When did we get married?
No, Roscoe, you can't be shaking your booty.
Watch me.
How about you get your spot, Roscoe?
I think I'll get to my spot.
Well, what do you get?
I'll get to my spot.
Oh, yeah. All right, folks, welcome back to the stage. Daredevil Dan.
Hi, buddy. You miss me? Oh.
Come on,
Where'd he
now,
go?
man. This is your big moment. Let's
There
get
he
you in
is.
that box, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, Dan. Let's get you in the box.
Door's open for you that way. Yep, that's right, way. Where do you think you're going?
You got it, Roscoe.
Oh, be careful with
Good
your
job.
Roscoe. We're
Wait,
running out of money, remember?
He's got my hat.
Oh,
That's
gosh.
my man.
Roscoe, get my hat, would you?
One second, Bill. Someone's at the door.
Gracious.
Yellow. Nope. You saw nothing. Awesome.
Hey, Roscoe,
Yeah, Bill?
where's my hat?
Bill? Hey, wearing no hat. Can we start this countdown already, please?
Yeah.
Can we start from 20? I love the number 20. That's my
20?
favorite. Yeah,
Oh, that's a big one, but we can do it.
We start from 10.
10. Oh, man, we start from 10. I'm sorry.
10.
Yeah, 10.
Shucks, I ain't even gotta take my boots off.
What is she talking about?
10.
10.
10.
9.
9.
8.
What?
7.
8, Roscoe.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because I can count.
Well, excuse me, Mr. College. 8.
8.
7.
Now it's 7.
7.
6.
6.
6.
5.
5.
What?
4. 3.
Let's go.
2. And big old
Who's that?
It's the fella from the Longhorns.
Clarence! Yeah! Oh, I know.
No, wait. It's Dan.
Well, that's good disguise.
Get it.
Oh, Andy, get him!
Yeah, Danny. Wait for me, fella. Wait. Come on, little lady. It's our time to shine. I go this way.
Hey, you get back here.
Andy, wait up! Andy, come on, we got a good deal. Y'all, which way to go? This way, thank you. What's going on with the outhouse?
Roscoe!
Whoa!
Roscoe! If we're off the left, then I ain't no real little things here, but that's Roscoe! Sorry, excuse me, sir. Have you seen the Daredevil place about this tall? He's in a blue suit, big old glasses. Yonder? Thank you. I'm ready to let him here.
I'll be your man.
Hey, man. Get in the box, buddy. Come on now. What? Oh, get back here.
Hi, Roscoe.
Hi, Andy. Bill! Billy! William!
What did you do? But I'm going back. I'm going to sneak up on him real quiet. Oh! Oh, goodness. Bless that little fella's heart. I hope he's all right.
My show, my sign, it's all ruined.
Give me all your money, punk.
Hey, Roscoe, get out here quick. The manager back.
Wait a minute, wait. I mean, freeze, partner.
Roscoe, give me that.
Oh, I'm sorry, Bill. Scoot on.
Where's Andy?
I don't know.
Where is Dan?
We're still looking for him?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know that either. But look, it don't matter. All these lovely people want to see an explosion, right? Well, all the dynamite is in the box, so let's just blow it up. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, wait a minute, Roscoe.
Yeah, Bill.
Did you say all dynamite's in that box?
Yes. 1.
I got you a stick or two, boy.
I'm sorry, Bill. Don't tell Mama.
Get away from here, Roscoe.
I was scared, Bill. That's a lot of smoke.
This is all your fault.
I didn't do it. The dynamite don't think it won't up.
Roscoe?
Yeah.
Roscoe, I just got some big news.
Uh-huh.
The votes are in. You have won. You're the president.
Oh, boy.
Dan, you're alive. Wait. Roscoe's president?
Oh, I gotta call my mama. Mama, I did tell Doggo, tell Sparky I did it on the Grizzly. Yes, I did.
Roscoe, there is no way. No way you're president of the United States.
Mama, I gotta call you back. Are you crazy, Bill? The United States? Nah, even better. I'm president of the Village People Fan Club.
The village people.
That's what I said this way. Yep.
Nobody even knows who they are. here.